When we speak of hypersonic speeds, right, we speak of speeds that are known as Mach 5 and above. Mach 5 sits at about 6,174 kilometers per hour. So that's the speed. So any speed that is above this, right, Mach 5, is known as hypersonic speeds. Now, when we speak of hypersonic technology, right, we are fundamentally speaking about two types of technology. The first type of technology is known as the HGV technology, which basically stands for Hypersonic Glide Vehicle Technology, right? This technology is similar to the technology which is used in ballistic missiles, right? Which fundamentally allows objects to leave the atmosphere at hypersonic speeds, right? And then re enter the atmosphere at hypersonic speeds, right? This is what the hypersonic glide vehicle allows you to do, right? To leave the atmosphere at hypersonic speeds and re enter it at hypersonic speeds. And the second type of technology that you find is known as the HCM, right? HCM basically stands for Hypersonic Cruise Missile Technology. This technology basically flies low, right? And maintains and has the ability to maintain its high hypersonic speeds while flying at a low altitude. Now, because of the hypersonic nature, right, of the technologies, right, you are dealing with three qualities that this technology has, right? Number one, they travel at very, very, very fast speeds, right? Number two, they are maneuverable, right? So you can maneuver them and move them at this high speed, right? And number three, they have the ability to attain as much altitude as possible. So you can also maneuver them at a high altitude or a low altitude. Now, these three qualities, right, or these three features make the hypersonic technology very hard to track, right, and very hard to intercept, right? So, which makes it next to nearly impossible, right, for current air defense system that you find on the planet, right, make it very impossible to intercept a high hypersonic glide vehicle or a hypersonic cruise missile. In June of 2023, Iran released their first hypersonic missile known as the Fatah 2. This missile is believed to have a range of 1,400 kilometers. It's also believed to have the ability to travel at speeds known as Mach 5, right? That means about 20,000 kilometers per hour. This hypersonic missile falls under the category of a HGV, short for a hypersonic glide vehicle. India has a hypersonic missile called the BrahMos 2. It is believed to have a range of 1,500 kilometers. It is known to have speeds of about Mach 9, right? Which is 9,800 kilometers per hour. It is believed to cost about 5.6 million US dollars, and it uses a scramjet for its propulsion. The BrahMos 2 can be launched from the air, sea, and land. The Chinese made hypersonic missile known as the Dongfeng 17 or the DF-17 was introduced in 2019. It is believed to have a range of 2,500 kilometers. This hypersonic missile can travel at speeds that sit between Mach 5, which is about 6,174 kilometers an hour, right, to about Mach 10, right, which is about 12,350 kilometers per hour, right? This hypersonic missile uses a solid fuel rocket propellant booster, right, as a way to help it cover the large distances that need to be covered by the missile. The Dongfeng 17 hypersonic missile falls under the category of it being a HGV, right, which stands for a hypersonic glide vehicle. The Russian made hypersonic missile, known as the Kinzhal, was first used in the Ukraine war in March of 2022. It is believed to have a range of about 1,500 kilometers to about 2,000 kilometers. It is believed to travel at speeds known as Mach 10, which puts it at about 12,350 kilometers per hour. The cost of this hypersonic missile stands at 10 million US dollars. It is believed to use a solid fuel rocket propellant to make sure that this missile hits its target. Russia has manufactured a hypersonic missile called the Zircon. It can be launched from ships and submarine. It uses a scramjet and it is believed to travel at Mach 9, which is 9,800 kilometers an hour. It is known to have a shooting range of 1,000 kilometers, and it stands at a cost of 210 million US dollars. Just fixing a quick mistake, I said that the Zircon hypersonic missile made by Russia cost about 210 million US dollars. I was wrong. The actual number is 21 million US dollars. And yes, the US does have a hypersonic missile program, but currently their missile program is quite far behind compared to China, Russia, and the other countries, right? Currently, a hypersonic missile, if made in the US, it costs between 50 million US dollars to 100 million US dollars. So they need to bring the cost of this hypersonic missile, otherwise, they won't be able to compete with the current hypersonic missiles that are out there in the market.